Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the February Little Bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the February Little Bee box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this month is the rotation for the little boy box. If you guys don't know, this box is based just for little ones. It's age appropriate, gender appropriate, it's seasonal appropriate, and they take all the guesswork out of it and they send it straight to the child that it's gonna go to. Mainly it's made to help busy moms stay busy doing what they're doing, and then Little Bee Box can step in and give them the essentials that they need for their child at that age group. So I definitely love these boxes. You can also do a one-time gift box if you want to do that. Instead of a subscription, you can gift a subscription, but everything will be down below in the description box for you, and my code SheCrafty will save you 30% off your very first subscription box if you are interested. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, this one's for the little boy. He's almost 2 years old. He is just simply adorable, and I just can't wait to see what's inside for him. So when we first open her up, since it's Valentine's Day themed for this month, it's in the pinks and the reds. And it says, "Dear Mama, as you nurture your little one, remember that love is the greatest gift you give. In the midst of the diaper changes, sleepless nights, and sweet baby giggles, know that you are doing an amazing job. You are your baby's safe place, their comfort, and their first love." They always have a really cute little blurb on one side, which is amazing. The other side will go over the products that are in the box and give you the pricing per item. You also have their card saying thank you for your purchase. If you do have an Instagram or a social, you can tag them in your post if you post a picture of your box. Now down inside, the book is trying to, the books did jump out. Okay, little author loses his patience. Had no patience to stay in the box. This is a sneak peek to everything inside of this box. Since that one wanted to hop on out, a little impatient over here. Being Patient is the title of the book. So this is what the book looks like. I love when there's books in here because then you can read to the kids, and as they get older, they have their own books that they can start reading and going through. So I love when there's books inside of these boxes. Ooh, see, there's something with this book. There's something with this book. So this right here says baby reading book valued for $4. So there's number one. Up next we have is Baby Dove Sensitive Skincare Nighttime Lotion, Calming Moisture. I bet you it has probably some lavender in it because it says nighttime lotion calming, and that's normally a great thing for calming is lavender, and I see the purple right there. But this is the Baby Dove. That is super cool because definitely lather them up at night. They can sleep comfortably through the night. This is valued at $8.99, and it is a nice large size, not a sample size. I love that. It is a 400 ml. So now let's go with the clothing item, and it looks like there's two different outfits in here. One is a 3-piece set and one is a 2-piece set. There's two full outfits, and you can probably mix and match and all of that. So that is awesome. This one here is going to be the 2-piece set. It's Carter's, and it is $16.95. So you have this little shirt with the blue, and it has like these little blue whales on it. And then you have like these bright coral kind of colored shorts. Super, super cute. Again, you can wear this shirt with pants. You can change the shorts, do whichever, but here is a really cute 2-piece set valued for $16.95. Again, that's by Carter's is the brand. That is so cute. And then there is a 3-piece American Hawk 3-piece set for $44 value. And that would be this right here. So this one, you have a pair of pants. Look at how cute this little button-up plaid shirt is. And then there's this t-shirt right here. So you can use just this together, or you can put this underneath here. But here is a 3-piece clothing set, again valued for $44. $4. That is just simply adorable. Oh my gosh, I love both of those outfits. The last thing in here is a gift for the mom. There's always one gift in here for the mom, and I love that they do that because there's a surprise for the mom every month, and it's not just for their little one. This month here, it says Olivia Rose Beauty Essentials Lashes and Brow Care Set. So you have all of these tools right here for your lashes and brows. There's a lash curler, a lash applicator, scissors, and tweezers. So here is the free gift for the mom for this month. So a quick recap for everything that's inside of this box. Again, they're all based on who it goes to. You have the free gift for the mom. You have one set, but not just one, two different sets of clothes. Oh my gosh, I love both of these outfits. You have the body lotion for nighttime and the reading book. You guys, so that is everything for this February box. Comment down below and let me know what would be your favorite item in here. What did you think of the overall box? I just love how they curate these for the busy moms so they don't have to worry about anything. They get an amazing collection of different items every single month, and I just absolutely love this. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty, which would get you 30% off your very first box if you are interested in going to this subscription. Each box includes 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. And there's several questions that you answer when you are signing up so they know exactly how to tailor the box for that specific child. If you want to just do a month per month, you can go to the gold term. That's $51.95 per box. The silver will bring it down to $45.95 for a 6-month term. And the platinum is a 12-month term, bringing it all the way down to $43 per box. Again, you can do the one-time gift box as well. That's $65. That does include free US shipping in that $65. So if you know somebody who's having a birthday, or if there's a baby shower or something like that, you could always just send a one-time gift box. You can ship it to yourself and then you can bring it with you if you're attending, or you can ship it straight to the recipient if you're not going to be attending. Plus, again, it's free US shipping, so whichever you want to ship it to. And then that one you can select newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. And you can pick pink, blue, or neutral, and then they will go ahead and take all of that into consideration and build that mystery box for that specific child. Again, I absolutely love this box. I love what they do. I love the products that they find, and I just love seeing these little ones in their clothes and enjoying these boxes. So again, that is everything that I have to say for this box. You can find them down in the description box. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different videos. If one pops up you're not interested in, just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.